Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So, let's take a look. Hi everyone. Today I'm excited to tell you about DOLO NEUROBION, a drug that might be more familiar than you think. Let's dive into what it is and how it can help. DOLO NEUROBION is often prescribed for its pain-relieving and nerve-nourishing properties. It's especially useful if you have nerve pain or deficiencies in vitamins B1, B6, and B. These vitamins are essential for nerve health, and a deficiency can cause discomfort and neurological symptoms. Now, how does it work? How does DOLO NEUROBION function? Its active ingredients help replenish these essential nutrients, supporting nerve function and reducing inflammation. Think of it as food for your nervous system, helping it to heal and operate optimally. In terms of dosage, it's crucial to follow your doctor's instructions. You can typically start with an initial dose and adjust it based on your body's response and specific needs. Remember that proper administration is key to maximizing benefits and minimizing side effects. Speaking of side effects, like all medications, DOLO NEUROBION has its caveats. While generally well tolerated, some may experience mild reactions like stomach upset or allergic responses. Always discuss possible side effects with your doctor. To conclude, DOLO NEUROBION can be a great relief for those who need relief from nerve pain or vitamin deficiencies. Always use responsibly under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Stay healthy and informed. If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.